Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today Anker has sent us some goodies, some new charging accessories. They've been out for a little while, but they saw one of my other videos where I made some videos on their power banks, and they asked if I could include the links. And I was like, sure, if you want to sponsor some stuff, I will be happy to put some links in the description. So they did. And this was actually some stuff that I've been on the fence about buying anyway, so really cool that they sent it out for us here. And here is the first item. We'll just take both of them out at the same time so you guys can see everything. Let me angle you guys down a little bit here. All right, so first things first, we have the Anker 240 watt ultra compact desktop charging station. This is the one with the outlets, the Wi-Fi, all that kind of stuff built into it. So it works with the app via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. You guys have seen the app before if you saw my Anker Solix video where I unboxed that power station. So we'll go ahead and take this out of the package here. And here's the unit itself. And then here is the power brick, which is pretty big because it's got all the, where the magic happens, of course. And then this is just your, actual adapter and everything. Let's see, we'll take this out. And this is also a surge protector. So this does have surge protection built into it. So these outlets are surge protected and your stuff connected via USB should also be surge protected. I don't know where I'm going to use this one yet, but we have 4 USB-C ports on the bottom down here. We have 2 USB-A ports. We have your connector right here where this plugs in, and then we have the 2 outlets, which you can power on and off via these buttons and via the app as well. You can set up times, that kind of stuff, all within the Anker app. I'm not going to show the app in this video. I'll probably do like a review or something once I get all this set up. I just don't have anywhere to really plug this in right here specifically to where I can, show all that stuff. So I'm just going to unbox these and show you guys what they look like. And then we'll come back in another video and we'll do a little, video on everything like that. But this is capable of 240 watts. We'll see here if it says on the box the specs. Each USB-C port supports up to 140 watts when used individually. So you get 140 watts per port, and then of course that gets divided out based on how many things you have plugged into it. So pretty cool. 140 watts is pretty good. I have a power bank that charges at 140 watts, so it'll be kind of handy to charge that. But actually that is what I'm most excited about this guy here for. This is the Anker, let's see, I don't know if they have a name on here. This is the 140 watt 4-port charger. This is just the wall adapter, but this one has the screen on it with the, you can monitor the power output, the temperature, all that kind of stuff right here on the charger itself. This one does not have Wi-Fi or Bluetooth or any kind of app support or anything like that, but it does have the built-in display, and it looks like the one they sent me is in silver, which is cool. Or no, it's in, well, is it silver or gray? No, that's the silver one. It was the paper that was making it look different. But there we go. So nice travel adapter. One cool thing about this is the ports are on the bottom. So if you plug it in like this, instead of having your cables come out, and go down, it's right here on the bottom. Also handy if you have it plugged in like a power strip. If it's plugged into something like this, like so, then you have your cables coming out rather than going up, which I find to be better. You got your little button right here. It's not an actual physical button. It is touch sensitive. You can change what's on the screen, go between the different pieces of information. And I believe if you have this plugged into an outlet, a different direction or something like that, you can also rotate rotate the image on the screen. So that's very handy. So like I said, we will come back in another video and do some actual testing on these, charging some of my power banks, charging some of my devices, all that kind of stuff. And then you also do get a Anker braided USB cable, USB-C to C right here with the adapter, so you can plug in your devices. I believe this one supports up to 140 watts, or 240 watts, sorry, it's a 240 watt cable. I do believe, because this does 140, and I know on previous videos I've seen people say that does 240, so that is very nice. You have your different ports here. You have C1, which is 140 watts, C2 140 watts, and then C3 40 watts. So if you're using high power devices, you're going to want to plug it into 1 and 2, and then your lower power devices into 3. And then of course you have a 33 watt capable USB-A port right there. Again, using multiple devices at the same time, it's going to divide that power between the ports, but either one of these ports is capable of 140 watts at one time. But this is a max 140 watt charger, so excuse me, the total output is going to be 140 watts no matter how much you have plugged into it. So that is the stuff that Anker sent on over for us to check out. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and as always, have a great day.